I bet you didn't know growing bell peppers could be this easy. Let's dive in. First things first, pick a sunny spot in your garden. Bell peppers love sunshine. Next, grab some seeds or seedlings and plant them about 18 inches apart. They need space to stretch out and grow. Here's a cool hack. Place some crushed eggshells in the soil. It's like giving your peppers a calcium boost. Water them regularly, but don't drown them. Think of it like giving them a nice drink, not a bath. Now here's a fun fact. Bell peppers are actually fruits, not veggies. Mind-blowing, right? And did you know the different colors of bell peppers come from how long they stay on the plant? More time, more colors. Keep an eye out for pests. But don't worry, a little soap and water spray can help. And if you see flowers, celebrate. That means bell peppers are on the way. Before you know it, you'll be harvesting your own bell peppers. Fresh, colorful, and oh so delicious. Happy gardening.